Remember and note, use at your own risk. This is just my own advice. Risking more than you can afford to lose. The biggest mistake you can make is to risk more money than you can afford to lose. Take a look at the amount you feel comfortable with. It is a very risky business, so control yourself and your emotions during investment in any website. Investment websites are used. Be careful. If you don't care, then you will lose your all money. Always do your own research before investing on any website. Okay? Always do your own research before exchanging or swapping money. Buy and sell bitcoins and trading. But at all times, ensure you are talking to the right person. Use at your own risk. This is just my own advice. Most great and best exchange is Bilaxy. As you will see here, it's 24 hours trading volume of SMG 10,369 USDT. Greater than two exchanges, FatBTC and Catex. Then it's great. Okay, you buy and sell SMG tokens in Bilaxy. Okay, this is my registration link. Use this link to register your account and buy and sell, withdraw or deposit SMG tokens in here, because its 24-hour volumes are greater than other two exchanges. It's good. Okay, this is my referral code 1552175. As you will see here, when I am clicking here, this is the 24 hours volume. Okay, and this is, enter your email address here. Okay, and choose password, and referral code is here. Okay, when you are using this referral code, okay, you will get bonus and transaction fee discount. Okay, either you want to trade or withdraw deposit. Okay, and here is SMG tokens trading 24 hours volume 10,374. It's great than other exchanges. Okay, then use this exchange. Okay, today I am showing you how to withdraw your SMG tokens into FatBTC exchange. Okay, this is my referral link. First you must register your account using this my referral link. Okay, this link you will find into the description of this video. Okay, user ID U10, okay, 112000027. Okay, just click here. Here this window will appear. Okay, type using your both options is available. You can use your email to register your account or your mobile number. Okay, click here to email and type here your email. Okay, after typing, click here to get code. Check your email and paste that code is here. After that, choose your password and what is UID, referral UID. Okay, just paste my that referral UID here. As you will see here, this referral ID. Okay, and you can also see here this. Copy this referral ID. Okay, after copying and paste onto the Chrome here. Okay, and fill the form. Okay, and click here to sign up. In this way you register your account using my referral link and get fee discount and extra bonus if you are using this my UID code. Okay, FatBTC. But why you withdraw SMG tokens into FatBTC? The reason is what? Okay, in previous videos I have withdraw using what? Using Catex exchange, but now I am using FatBTC. Why? The reason is this. I am also telling you the reason. Okay, I am opening here FatBTC CoinJacko, just checking the volume, and also opening here CoinJacko the Catex. Okay, both of them. See first 24-hour volumes. Okay, volume is, and in FatBTC the SMG token price is 0.007 and 24 hours volume $428. Okay, as you will see here, $428, 24 hours volume. Now I am checking on here. Okay, checking on Catex exchange. Catex exchange, the SMG token price is 0.005 and 24-hour volume is $56. As you will see here, $56 is less than $428. Okay, FatBTC volume is high, so I am using at this time what? FatBTC for withdraw. Okay, because volume is high and your limit order execute as soon as possible. Okay, here is your limit order is taking time and price is also low because volume is low, $56 only, and here is price is high and volume is also high, $428, and your order limit order executed immediately. Okay, now see how to withdraw SMG tokens from smg.to wallet to FatBTC exchange. Okay, Bilaxy exchange account balance is 31 USDT. Okay, because I sold SMG tokens, okay, and get USDT. Okay, as you will see here, if I am clicking here exchange, after clicking exchange, type here SMG, as you will see here, I sold SMG 5000. Okay, my order is completed successfully. Now I want to transfer USDT into for Binance Exchange because I cannot cash directly from Bilaxy Exchange. Okay, see how to do. I have already logged in here. Just click here to withdraw. Okay, Just click here to withdraw. After clicking here withdraw, okay, as you will see here, you must check fee. ERC by default ERC20 and transaction fee is what? 20 USDT. Okay, if I am clicking here, it's also 20 USDT. If I am clicking TRC20 and its transaction fee is 2 USDT. Okay, as you will see here, its transaction fee 2 USDT. Now I am selecting, okay, coin is same USDT and TRC20 that paste address. Which address? I have already logged in Binance. Now just I am clicking here, click here, fiat and spot, deposit and withdrawal. Okay, after clicking fiat and spot, as you will see here, this screen will appear. First of all is USDT. Okay, or click here, type that currency. Okay, because my balance in USDT, so I can deposit into USDT. Okay, just click here to deposit. Okay, after clicking deposit, just click here. Okay, USDT, select the network. Network is what? You must note network. First check here which network. TRC20, that is called network. Okay, click here, this is TRC20. Okay, select this. After selecting TRC20, just click here to copy it. Okay, after copying, click here and paste it here. Okay, double check everything is correct. Address and network. Oops. And now I want to withdraw total amount. Okay, just I am copy and paste that amount here. Security password and email verification and Google Authenticator. You will receive 29.33 USDT because 2 USDT is transaction fee. Okay, I am typing here security password. Okay, click here, send an email code and enter Google Authenticator code. Okay, everything is correct. Email, okay, I pasted and security password, email code and Google Authenticator. Click here to submit. Okay, everything is good. Click here to confirm. Withdraw successful. Your USDT balance is 0. Okay, and it's processing here. As you will see here, my withdrawal is processing. Now click here to Binance. Okay, refresh this page. Okay, it's processing, as you will see here. Okay, as you will see here, withdrawal success. Now it's status success. Click here and again check it here. Your withdrawal, recent withdrawals. I am refreshing the page. Okay, my recent withdrawal is this. As you will see here, today is 30 July 2021. If you are clicking here and you will see here everything is correct. Okay, in this way you can withdraw USDT from Bilaxy exchange on here. Okay, as you will see here, here is also showing 29.33 USDT. Okay, and here is same amount showing because $2 transaction fee. Okay, so it's here showing 29.33. Okay, now you can cash out from Binance. Okay, exchange. I hope you will understand how to sell SNG tokens and withdraw to another exchange for cash, or you want to invest on another website. Okay, thanks.